Social stories. Using the school cafeteria.
Hi. Today, I want to talk about using the school cafeteria. The cafeteria is a place where students eat their meals at school. Many students use the cafeteria every day. The cafeteria helps everyone have a place to eat, drink, and spend time with others. Sometimes the cafeteria can feel busy. There may be many students, adults, sounds, smells, and activities happening at the same time. Knowing what to expect can help me feel calmer and more confident. When it is time for lunch, my teacher or another adult will let me know. I may walk with my class to the cafeteria. I can walk safely and follow the directions given by the adults around me. When I arrive, I may notice lots of things happening. I might hear people talking. I might hear trays moving. I might hear chairs scraping on the floor. I might hear announcements or other sounds. Sometimes, these sounds can seem loud. That is okay. The cafeteria is a busy place, and these sounds are a normal part of lunchtime. I may also notice different smells from the food being served. Some smells may be familiar. Some smells may be new. I might like some smells and not like others. That is okay too. Everyone experiences things differently. If I am getting food from the cafeteria, I may need to wait in line. Waiting can sometimes feel hard. While I wait, I can keep my body in my own space. I can keep my hands and feet to myself. I can practice being patient while I wait my turn. The line will move, and my turn will come. When it is my turn, I can listen to the adults serving food. I can use polite words. I can say please and thank you. If I need help, I can ask. Adults in the cafeteria are there to help students. After I get my food, I can carefully carry my tray or lunch to a table. I can walk slowly and watch where I am going. Walking helps keep everyone safe. When I sit down, I can focus on eating my meal. Eating lunch helps give my body energy for learning, playing, and growing. I may sit with classmates or friends. Sometimes people talk during lunch. Sometimes people eat quietly. Both are okay. If I choose to talk, I can use a calm voice. I can take turns talking and listening. I can be respectful when others are speaking. Using kind words helps everyone feel comfortable. Sometimes I may feel overwhelmed in the cafeteria. There may be many sounds, people or things happening at once. If this happens, I can remember that I have choices. I can take slow breaths. I can focus on my food. I can look at something calming. I can use strategies that help my body feel regulated. If I need help, I can tell a teacher or another trusted adult. Adults are there to support me. Sometimes things may not go exactly how I expected. A friend may sit somewhere else. My favorite food may not be available. The cafeteria may be louder than usual. Changes can happen. If I feel disappointed, I can take a breath and remind myself that I can handle small changes. I can ask for help if I need it. When I finish eating, I can clean up my space. I can follow my school's lunchtime rules. I may throw away my trash. I may return my tray. I may pack up my lunch items. Cleaning up helps keep the cafeteria clean for everyone. When lunch is over, I will follow directions from my teacher or another adult. I can leave my area calmly. I can walk safely to my next activity. Using the cafeteria is a skill I can learn and practice. Each day gives me another opportunity to learn what works best for me. I do not have to do everything perfectly. Learning takes time. Every time I practice cafeteria skills, I am becoming more confident. I am learning how to be safe, respectful, and responsible. I am learning new things every day. And I am doing my best.
Please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more social stories. Until then, take care.